Hi, my Lola babes. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna I just felt the need to just make a video because this been like heavily on my mind, and I feel like if I don't speak about it, then it's like me just brushing everything away. But anyway, so I want to talk about I'm not gonna say um depression, but I'm going to say well, yeah, you might as well call it depression, um, and how real it is. So, as you guys know, I'm a daycare owner, and I also have my own business, which is Below Ultimate Experience, and I sell beauty products. I have all natural soy wax candles, um, lashes. I make my own um, body scrubs, soaps, body butter, um, and etc. I have so much stuff. So, just finding the balance in life. Like, so I work Monday through Friday, and I do my daycare from 6 a.m. to almost 6 p.m. And it frustrates me because I don't have time to focus on my other business, which can potentially be great. And sometimes it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming because I feel like I can't get everything done within that day because I'm so tired from working all day. So when I see social media, which can be the devil, when I see social media and I see the progress of other people and I see how much potential they put into their businesses, besides, more than one business, and I see them growing and things getting, um, things looking so amazing for them, it puts me in a funk. And I don't know if it do this to most people, but I know it puts me in a funk where I feel like I'm stuck, and I feel like I'm not going hard enough, and I feel like um it's just a lot of pressure on me. So I become depressed, or it could be like a financial situation. Everybody see the best part, I mean the good parts in people businesses, but it's a lot of downfalls. Like, it's a lot of bills, it's a lot of um it's a lot of stuff that come with having a business. So you can't always think that you're gonna make money, but I know I'm throwing y'all off, but anyway, it's a lot of stuff that go on with having a business. So financially, when you want to pull from another business to put into another business, it's kind of hard to do. So um right now I'm in the beginning stages of my soy wax business, and my beauty business, and it's just kind of frustrating to me. And I be having my moments where I be wanting to post on YouTube, and I'll be wanting to do all this stuff, and one day I'll be so motivated, and I'll be like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, but then I look at my financial stability or stuff like that, and it just hinders me, and it just makes me feel less of a person, or it makes me feel like, oh, like I just gotta get up and just go to work at my daycare and try to make money from that, or whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to let you guys know that it takes time. It takes time. Like the stuff that we see on social media, I'm pretty sure that they have their downfalls. I'm pretty sure that they um they don't have everything together. They show us the good part of their business, but half of the time everything don't be running smooth like that. Um I'm learning that it's just not my time right now. It's not my time. And I'm okay with that, because when it is my time, I'm telling you, my businesses is going to be a multi-million dollar business. And I just have to put more faith, and I just have to keep praying and manifesting the things that I want, and just being a positive, good person, and just being grateful for where I'm at right now, because I've come a long way, and I just have to be still and work in the now, and working and live in the now, instead of trying to be where that person at or where another person at. So I just wanted to let everyone know that it's okay to be in that funk, but you have to look at the things, the little baby steps that you have done to get where you are today, and that is progress. And that's all you can, that's all you can do is just have progress. But I just wanted to talk to you guys because I've just been having this like feeling. So I just wanted to come on here and just give you guys this info that it's okay to be where you are right now, because I'm pretty sure that you have come a long, long way. And it's okay. So I love you guys, and continue to subscribe to my channel because I will post videos and do better. But it's life, and I'm trying to manage life. Okay, so thank you guys for continuing to subscribe, continue to like my videos. I love you guys. Please continue to stay in the Lola gang, and I appreciate you guys. Bye.